Hello everyone, this video introduces the Feature to 3D by Attribute function in the Vector Conversion tool. This function creates 3D features using height values obtained from the attributes of the input features. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Feature to 3D by Attribute tool. Double-click to open the function window. Specify the features to be used for creating 3D features. It supports point, multipoint, line, and polygon geometries. Here, we use line features as an example. In the height field, specify the field used to generate the height for the 3D features. The to-height field is optional and is used to specify the field for the second height of the line features. If two height fields are used, the start of each line uses the height from the first field, and the end uses the height from the second field, creating a slope. Next, set the storage path and name for the output feature class. The Add Result to Project option is only effective when the output feature class result is output to the GPKG database where the project is located. When checked, it will automatically build a layer for the result data and add it to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. The conversion of features to 3D by attribute will be successful. That's all for the introduction to the Feature to 3D by Attribute function. Thank you for watching.